Hello guys, you are watching Automatic. Welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Wi-Fi problem on Phoenix OS, and this is the easiest method I'm going to show you now. So first of all, you have to download ES File Explorer. Go to Google and search. Go to Google and search ES File Explorer and download the version. Or you want to download this version. Okay, I've already downloaded and installed it, so let's open this file explorer and now click on the three dot menu and scrolling down and enable root explorer. After that, click on SD card, and one more thing you have to download. You have to download a file. I will give you the link on my description. You can download this file from here. So copy that file and click on the slash and scrolling down and search etc. Here is the etc folder, and scrolling down we have to replace the file. That is the main file. We have to replace it. So paste it here. Click on paste, click on overwrite. Okay, so it's pasted successfully. So now click on power and restart your Phoenix. After that, check your Wi-Fi is completely fixed. This is the easiest method that you can fix your Wi-Fi. So guys, if it works, then hit the like button, and if you are new on the channel, then subscribe. And if you have any problem or any question, then comment down and I will answer it. Okay.